Have you ever noticed that you know all the English words, but when the real moment comes, your mind goes completely blank? Welcome to Talk Evolve. I am Sophia. Today, we are not going to read boring books. Today, we will travel together. I want you to close your eyes. We will go to the office, to the cafe, and to the market. I will give you the exact sentences for every situation in your daily life. Listen carefully. Let the words create an image in your mind. Let us begin. Imagine it is 7 a.m. You are getting late for work. You are looking for your keys. You feel panicked. You ask your family for help. You will say, "I cannot find my keys." You are in a hurry. You need your breakfast fast. You will say, "Is breakfast ready?" You want to tell your mother that you will return late tonight. You will say, "I will come home late today." You are leaving the house. You want someone to lock the door. You will say, "Please lock the door behind me." You step outside. The weather is completely different. Today, you will say, "It looks like it will rain today." Now imagine you are at the metro station or waiting for a cab. There is a lot of crowd. You need to buy a ticket. You are at the counter. You will say, "One ticket to the central station, please." You are inside the train. Someone is standing in your way. You want to pass. You will say, "Excuse me, please let me pass." You are in a cab. The driver is going the wrong way. You will say, "Please take the next left turn." You want the driver to stop the car. You will say, "Please drop me here." You are paying the fare. You need the balance money back. You will say, "Please give me the change." Imagine you enter a quiet premium coffee shop. You walk up to the counter to order. The barista asks what you want. You will say, "I would like a cappuccino, please." You want to take the coffee with you to the office. You will say, "Make it a takeaway, please." You want to sit at a specific table, but a bag is kept there. You will say, "Is this seat taken?" You are trying to connect your phone to the internet. You will say, "What is the Wi-Fi password?" You accidentally spill some water on the table. You will say, "Could you please clean this table?" Imagine you push the glass doors of your office. You see your colleagues. You want to sound professional and confident. You meet your manager in the hallway. You will say, "Good morning, how are you today?" Your colleague asks how your project is going. You will say, "Everything is going well. You need help with the office printer." You will say, "Could you help me with this?" You are inviting a coworker for lunch. You will say, "Let us have lunch together." You want to confirm a meeting time. You will say, "Are we still meeting at 2 p.m.?" Imagine you are now sitting in the conference room. The meeting is about to start. You need to speak confidently. You want to start the discussion. You will say, "Let us begin the meeting." Someone is speaking too fast and you did not understand. You will say, "Could you please repeat that?" You want to share your idea with the team. You will say, "I think we should try a new approach." You agree with what your colleague just said. You will say, "I completely agree with you." The meeting is over. You want to end it nicely. You will say, "Thank you everyone for your time." Now imagine it is lunchtime. You are in the office cafeteria. You are asking a colleague about their food. You will say, "What did you bring for lunch today?" You want to offer some of your food to a friend. You will say, "Would you like to taste this?" Your friend asks. If the food is spicy, you will say, "It is a little bit spicy." You have finished your meal and feel completely full. You will say, "I am totally full." Imagine your workday is over. You stop at the supermarket to buy groceries. You are looking for fresh vegetables. You ask the shopkeeper. You will say, "Where can I find the tomatoes?" You want to check the price of an item. You will say, "How much does this cost?" The item is too expensive. You will say, "This is out of my budget." You are at the billing counter. The cashier asks how you will pay. You will say, "I will pay by card." You need a bag to carry your items. You will say, "Could I get a carry bag, please?" Now imagine you are walking home. Your phone rings. It is a call from an unknown number. You pick up the phone and answer. You will say, "Hello, who is speaking?" The network is bad. You cannot hear them clearly. You will say, "Your voice is breaking." You need them to wait for a second. You will say, "Please hold on a moment." You want to end the phone call nicely. You will say, "It was nice talking to you." You check your phone and see a low battery warning. You will say, "My phone is about to die." Imagine the evening has arrived. You are meeting your friends at a park. You feel relaxed and happy. You see your friend after a long time. You will say, "It is so good to see you." You ask about their health and life. You will say, "How have you been?" You want to compliment your friend. You will say, "You are looking great today." You are deciding what to do together. You will say, "What should we do now?" It is getting late and you need to leave. You will say, "I should get going now." Imagine, before going home, you stop at a restaurant for dinner. You sit at the table and call the waiter. You will say, "Could we have the menu, please?" You are ready to order your food. You will say, "I will have the pasta, please." You need some normal water to drink. You will say, "Could you bring a glass of regular water?" You have finished your food and want to pay. You will say, "Can I get the bill, please?" Imagine you are finally back home. You had a very long day. You want to tell your family that you are tired. You will say, "I am completely exhausted today." You want to relax and watch a movie. You will say, "Let us watch something on TV." It is late at night. You are feeling sleepy. You will say, "I am going to sleep now." You want to wish everyone a good night. You will say, "Good night, sleep well." Imagine you are at a big shopping mall. You want to buy some clothes. You see a nice shirt. You want to try it on. You will say, "Where is the fitting room?" The shirt is too small. You need a bigger size. You will say, "Do you have this in a large size?" You like the shirt, but want a different color. You will say, "Does this come in black?" You will say, "Where can I find men's shoes?" The shopkeeper asks if you need help. You are just looking. You will say, "I am just browsing, thank you." Now imagine you wake up feeling sick. You go to the doctor's clinic. You arrive at the reception desk. You will say, "I have an appointment with the doctor." The doctor asks what the problem is. You will say, "I have a severe headache." You also have a sore throat. You will say, "It hurts when I swallow." You want to know how many days to rest. You will say, "Do I need to take bed rest?" You ask about the medicine timing. You will say, "When should I take these pills?" Imagine you need to visit the bank branch. You want to deposit some cash. You will say, "I would like to deposit this money. You need to update your passbook. You will say, please update my passbook. You lost your debit card. You are worried. You will say, I need to block my ATM card. You want to open a new account. You will say, what documents are required for a new account? The ATM machine is not working. You will say, this machine is out of service. Imagine your home internet is not working. You call customer care. You finally connect to an agent. You will say, my internet is down since morning. The agent asks for your details. You will say, my registered mobile number is this. The issue is not solved. You want a technician, you will say. Please send someone to check this. You have an issue with your electricity bill. You will say, I have been overcharged this month. Imagine you are at a party. You meet new people. You introduce yourself to a stranger. You will say, hi, I do not think we have met. You ask them about their profession. You will say, what do you do for a living? You want to offer them a drink. You will say, can I get you something to drink? You want to stay in touch with them. You will say, let us exchange contact numbers. Now imagine you are at your apartment. Your neighbor's music is too loud. You will say, could you please turn down the volume? The water tap is leaking. You call the plumber. You will say, the pipe is leaking in the kitchen. The AC is not cooling properly. You will say, the air conditioner needs servicing. A delivery boy calls you. You will say, please leave the package at the gate. Imagine you are traveling to another city. You are at the airport. You are at the check-in counter. You will say, I have 2 bags to check in. You prefer a specific seat. You will say, can I get a window seat, please? You ask for the boarding gate. You will say, which gate is our flight boarding from? The flight is delayed. You ask the staff. You will say, how long is the delay? You are inside the airplane. You feel cold. You will say, could I get a blanket, please? You arrive and cannot find your bag. You will say, my luggage is missing from the belt. Imagine you have a job interview today. You are slightly nervous. You arrive at the office reception. You will say, I am here for an interview. The HR manager asks about your experience. You will say, I have worked here for 3 years. They ask why you want to join. You will say, I want to learn and grow with this company. You ask them about the next step. You will say, when can I expect to hear from you? Imagine you are back at the restaurant, but there is a problem. The food is totally cold. You will say, excuse me, this dish is cold. You got the wrong order. You will say, I did not order this item. You want to pack the leftover food. You will say, could you pack the remaining food? Imagine you are back at the office. Your computer is giving trouble. The screen is completely frozen. You will say, my computer is not responding. You forgot your login password. You will say, I need to reset my password. The internet is very slow. You will say, the connection is dropping frequently. You need to send an important file. You will say, I have attached the file to this email. My dear learners, you have just traveled through a complete day in English. Did you notice something? You did not study the grammar rules. You simply felt the situations and learned the exact words to survive. This is how your brain naturally works best. Your homework for today is very simple. Choose any 3 sentences from today's masterclass and write them in the comment section below. When you write it down, your brain remembers it forever. If this journey helped you clear your mind, please hit the like button. Subscribe to Talk Evolve and join our growing community of confident speakers. I am Sophia. Keep practicing, keep evolving, and I will see you in the next class.